Hey everyone, and welcome! This is a special year-end playbook brought to you by us here at Black Ink Tax Services. It's designed to help you, the business owner, finish this year strong and, most importantly, keep more of your hard-earned money. So let's dive right in. All right, so let me just ask you, straight up, is your business really ready for December 31st? Because, it's not just another date on the calendar. It's the most critical deadline you have for making a real impact on your tax bill. What you do in these next few weeks can make a huge difference. You can hear it, right? The clock is absolutely ticking down. But think of it like the final 2 minutes of a big game. You don't panic, you run the plays you've practiced, the ones that work. And that's exactly what this is all about. A few smart, strategic plays you can run right now to lock in a financial win for the year. So yeah, we are officially in the year-end tax countdown. Every single decision you make from here on out, from billing a client to buying a new printer, it all has a direct impact on your bottom line. And look, the goal here is super simple. Lower your tax bill for this year and set your business up for a powerful start to the next one. Okay, so our first big play, it's all about one really powerful concept: controlling your timing. It's all about strategically managing when money comes into your business and when it goes out. And trust me, you've got way more control here than you probably think. So what you're looking at here are basically two sides of the exact same coin. On one side, to lower this year's taxable income, you can literally just wait to send out those last few invoices until January. Boom, that income now counts for next year. On the other side, for expenses, you flip the script. You pull deductions into this year by prepaying for things you're going to need anyway. Your rent, your insurance, those software subscriptions. You get that sweet deduction right now when it helps you the most. All right, play number 2. This is all about what we call strategic year-end spending. And let me be clear, this is not an excuse to go on a shopping spree for stuff you don't need. No. This is about making smart, necessary purchases for your business before that December 31st deadline to max out your deductions. And this right here, this is the classic equipment play. It is so powerful and it's dead simple. First, you just figure out what you actually need. A new computer, maybe some office furniture. Second, you gotta buy it before the end of the year. But here's the kicker, the part people always forget. You have to place it in service. That's just a fancy way of saying you have to actually start using it in your business this year for it to count. This is all thanks to a really cool part of the tax code called Section 179, which is designed to help businesses just like yours invest in themselves. Oh, and you're gonna love this one. This is a pro tip that seriously leverages that timing strategy we just talked about. Use your business credit card to pay for some of those expenses right now. Here's why that's so great. Even if you don't actually pay the credit card bill until January, the IRS sees the expense on the day you swiped the card, not the day you paid the bill. It's a fantastic way to lock in a deduction now without the cash having to leave your bank account just yet. You see how this all comes together? Every one of these strategies ties right back into our motto here at Black Ink Tax Services: prepare to stay in the black. These are not just little accounting tricks. These are fundamental business moves that help you stay profitable and keep your company financially healthy. Okay, so we've gone over the playbook, but knowing the plays is one thing. The game is won when you actually run them. It is absolutely time to take action. This little window of opportunity is open right now, but it's going to close for good at the end of the year. And let's not lose sight of what's really at stake here. We're talking about thousands of dollars, real money that stays in your business. Money you can use to reinvest, to grow your team, to hire someone, or just to have as a nice cushion to start the new year right. This stuff has a real, tangible impact. So that leaves one last question, and this one's for you. Are you ready to make your game plan? Which of these plays are you going to run for your business? I'm telling you, just a little bit of planning right now is going to pay off big time in just a few months. And look, you don't have to figure this out all on your own. The best teams have a great coach in their corner. So let's huddle up. We invite you to schedule a completely free year-end checkup with our experts at Black Ink. Just use the link you see here. Or if you want an even quicker answer, just send us a message directly on WhatsApp. Let's get a plan tailored specifically for your business and prepare to stay in the black. Thanks for tuning in.